Have you ever felt trapped by your page builder? Every one of them promises speed and polish, but that convenience almost always comes with hidden costs, bloated markup, vendor lock-in, and a subscription that never ends. UnysonPlus is different. It's a free, open-source WordPress framework built on a simple principle. Your code deserves respect. It gives you the speed of drag and drop without ever overwriting your standards. Over the next few minutes, let's look at what that actually means for the way you build. First, let's be honest about those costs. Start with the messy code, what we call div-soup output. Your carefully structured content gets buried under layers of nested wrappers and inline styles that no developer would ever write by hand, and it bloats every single page. Then there's vendor lock-in. The moment you deactivate the plugin, your pages fall apart because your content is trapped inside proprietary shortcodes you don't own. And finally, the bill per site keys, seat limits, and an annual renewal invoice just to keep your own site running. It's a tax you never signed up for. UnysonPlus flips every one of those on its head. Drag an element onto the page, and the framework writes clean, semantic HTML, no unnecessary wrappers, no inline-style graveyard, just the markup you would have written yourself. That means lighter pages, better accessibility, and output that search engines and other developers can actually read. And there's nothing hidden about it. Every element's demo on our site shows the exact markup it generates, right beside the live result. With UnysonPlus, what you build in the editor is precisely what ships to the browser. But UnysonPlus is more than a builder, it's a genuine framework. Every feature is a modular extension you can switch on or off, so a site ships only the code it actually needs. There's a full hooks and filters API, so you extend and adapt behavior the WordPress way instead of hacking around a black box. Reusable option types, color presets, pickers, typography controls keep your settings consistent across the whole system. And when you need something that doesn't exist yet, you can register your own shortcodes with the same clean builder UI. You set the rules, not us. The builder itself was designed for people who write code. It ships with more than 60 shortcodes that drop onto a real, responsive column grid, and you can nest sections, columns, and elements as deeply as your layout demands, with control on every breakpoint. Build a layout you love once, save it as a theme builder template, and reuse it across pages or entire sites. Everything is a predictable, composable building block so the editor stays fast and the output stays clean. Predictable blocks in professional markup out. Modern sites move and UnysonPlus ships the motion built in. The bundled animation engine gives you GSAP-powered scroll effects, more than 30 text animations, living animated backgrounds, real physics, custom cursors, and smooth page transitions. And the best part is how you use it. Everything is applied visually, straight from any Element's Animations tab. Pick an effect, tune it, done. That's the kind of agency-grade motion that normally costs a premium plugin and a pile of custom JavaScript. Here it's free, and it never asks you to write a single line of script. Already have a design you love? Maybe a site you built years ago, or a template from somewhere else? The site converter turns it into a native UnysonPlus site. Point it at a URL or hand it the raw HTML, and it maps the real structure onto real shortcodes while pulling the colors, typography, and spacing out as reusable presets. You don't get a frozen screenshot or a wall of pasted markup, you get a fully editable page and a living design system you can keep evolving. It's migration that respects both the design and the developer. And every bit of this is genuinely yours. UnysonPlus is GPL and self-hosted. There are no licensed servers phoning home, no seat limits, and no renewal invoices. Use it on one site or 1,000 forever without a single subscription. Because it's open source, you can read the code, audit it, fork it, and extend it however you like. Your content lives in your database and your markup stays clean, so you're never locked in. $0, zero strings, just a framework you actually own. So here's the takeaway. The page builder landscape is changing. You don't need another tool that locks you in or ships bloated code. You need one that respects your expertise, your time, and your budget. UnysonPlus is that answer. Free, open source, and built on the belief that your code matters. Find it on GitHub and install it like any other WordPress plugin. Read the documentation to get going, and if it earns it, start the repo. Build without compromise. UnysonPlus, the framework that respects your code. Thanks for watching.